Okay, before we get into the newsletter, a little bit of news about CircuitPython.org.
Give me a reason.
Folks, it's been acquired by Qualcomm. No. Yeah, we just,
What are you saying?
no, it's not. Nothing like that. We're doing a site redesign. Our wonderful journey. We're going to spend more time with our family. We're getting
It's turning into an AI startup.
we're getting a no. This is all crafted by humans.
I know.
We're putting a new coat of paint, more stuff on the site. This is what the current
Prediction.
design is, but it's gonna look like this soon. So just get ready. That was a little sneak peek.
Yep.
But we also want to say congratulations
To
Anne, who has been working on the Adafruit Daily newsletter. I started a million years ago, but Anne has a very nice note here that's thanking everyone for subscribing. We just hit exactly 12,000.
12,000, which is a lot.
A huge, this is, and just like, okay.
I say thank you for using the lower K because that means 1,000, whereas the uppercase K means 1024.
So yeah, we usually get it right.
Good, we get it right.
Yeah, and if we don't, you know what? People will tell us nicely, and then the next time it'll be right.
Mm-hmm.
This is probably because I didn't get it right one time.
No, I think.
But we also have, Anne might have did the request, and Anne's really good at grammar and punctuation.
That's why she.
Hence editor.
Hence editor.
So one of the neat things about this is we don't have any way for you to get this newsletter unless you really want it. It's on a separate website, adafruitdaily.com. You have to subscribe to it. We don't do any sales, or we don't do anything with your email address. A completely separate website from Adafruit Store Experience. And then you can also not even subscribe. You can get it on RSS. You can get it on a blog post. You can get it on GitHub. You can get it on whatever other way that data goes to other things, probably. So I think that means there's even more than just 12,000, of course.
Dude, people are. I actually, what's interesting is I read it on the website.
Yeah, I like to read on the website too. So check out the latest. A ton, of course. Sean's doing some tutorials on Zephyr, which is
Zephyr. Great time to learn it.
New hotness. Everybody should learn it.
Go learn it. And then I like this because we just did a bunch of hacking.
At least be aware of it.
Zephyr, yeah. Well, we did also. There's a lot of guides on not just the learning system, but on playgrounds. I like this composite video hack because we did PIO. We've been done like PIO for RGB matrices on the Raspberry Pi 5, right? Which is cool. I think this uses PIO, and also we've been doing HSTX DVI output on the RP2350. So seeing more weird, cool video displays, and this looks like a really nice, solid composite output. You can get your Sony monitor out and have it support.
And we've got. Is an Intel N100 better than a Raspberry Pi? They're comparing things. So, in the end, this is a lot about Python. Which one can you run Python on? Integration with Copilot and different IDEs. I think one of the things that we're going to see soon too is some of these AI tools and the way you're working with them possibly have like, here's a VS Code Copilot Arduino thing. That kind of goes in. We'll see. That'll be interesting how people will do development as more and more code is getting completed for you and where they're doing it. So anyways, do check it out and more. That is the celebration of 12,000 people. And once again, we're getting a new coat of paint and more functionality and more cool things on CircuitPython.org. Check it out. And that was Python on hardware. Yeah, I was supposed to do this little graphic thing and then mailbox each week.
You know what I mean.